Following on from the last video, I've now ground everything down on this wheel well section, and this is something that I've got in the habit of doing, and that is seam sealing everything with the Pour 15 black seam sealer. I wouldn't use this on the body obviously, but it's just for the chassis parts, etc. But yeah, eliminate any pinholes that may be there. I doubt if there is, but I will be able to go over this with a filler as well and get everything straightened. Just at the rear of the bus again now, I've just had to do a little bit of trimming to the end of these seals just so I can get them flush, and just so I can get the repair panel in. Now the repair panel is going to go roughly about there, but what I'm finding is that width wise it's a little too short, so each one of these tabs on either side I'm going to have to refold, just get them a little bit tighter to fit in that gap. Another bit just literally fell out. Look at that. Just squared that hole up now, got that rusty bit out, and managed to grind back that wheel arch section there. Not too bad, a few pinholes, but I'll get them on the next pass.